You know what would make for an amazing Christmas gift that I know your partner will love, or your kids, or your someone out there, someone in your family, a friend would love these? An amazing stocking stuffer. Socks. Why not take your image, their image, whatever image you want, and put it on some socks? If that's you today, and you want these before Christmas, hit your boy. I'll put them on some socks for you, because you know socks are my favorite thing to do. I'm doing some right now. I'm doing some amazing stocking stuffers right now.
You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet.
It's that simple, yo. So look, if you don't have a sublimation printer at home, I'll gladly send you some transfers, and you can press your own socks at home. Use the link below, right? And you can get yourself some blank socks over at Silky Socks. He's got athletic socks, dress socks, no-show socks. He's got a ton of stuff you can sub to. But if you do have a sublimation printer at home, I'll leave you a link to the sublimation paper I use, which is the Buddy paper. Either which way, these are simple to do. They're fun to do. I love socks and hats. That's my thing. If they're your thing too, and you want me to print you some, DM your boy, and I'll make you some socks. On that note, we're out.
Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now.